For activity A, you're going to move over into the animation pane. You'll read the introduction, which talks about the difference between mechanical and chemical weathering. From there, you'll come up to the weathering type and then click on frost wedging. So when you're in frost wedging, you're going to answer the question about what happens when water seeps into the rocks. So if you click on this animation here, you can actually see an animation of it happening. Okay, so just watch the animation, read this area, and answer the questions. When you're finished with that, you're going to look at abrasion, dissolving, rusting, clay formation, pressure release. So if you click on abrasion, you would read about abrasion and then click and watch it. When you click on pressure release, you'll read about pressure release, click and watch it, and so on and so forth for this section until you have finished answering all of the questions. When you're done, please categorize all of the following types of weathering under either mechanical or chemical.